May 31st, 1993, and I have bad news to tell you guys. I checked the opening to this tape, and this tape has a 1999 opening instead of the 1990 opening. I wanted to get the 1990 Canadian VHS of All Dogs Go to Heaven, but instead I got the 1999 Canadian VHS. I am not so happy about that. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm afraid I won't be redoing the full video of All Dogs Go to Heaven. I was going to get the 1990 Canadian VHS of All Dogs Go to Heaven, which I was really looking forward to that tape. But instead, I got the 1990 Canadian VHS by the seller. I know this looked the same as it was shown on the image of eBay. But now I realize that this tape has the opening from 1999, and I realize that the 1994 Canadian VHS of All Dogs Go to Heaven has a VHS opening from 1990, which only shows the trailer for Rock-a-Doodle before the start of the movie. I'm sorry to say this, guys, but I wasn't happy for that. I almost had the 1990 Canadian VHS, but this isn't the 1990 Canadian VHS. This is a 1999 Canadian VHS. But since I don't have the 1999 VHS, I'm gonna have to keep this tape then. But I will order the 1990 Canadian VHS soon. This time next time in a clamshell.
And there you have it for all my. That's what I do. Getting All Dogs Go to Heaven 1990 Canadian VHS, and hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my next video. We'll see you then. Good luck. Take care.